I've just brought down the carrier from the kitchen where it was in boiling water for 10 minutes, and I've wrapped it around the base, the bottom here, and then I clipped it with some clamps over there on the side. Let me just move over here so you can see the fingers. That's where the fingers are, and that's where I have to apply the copper tacks. So in a few minutes, this is all cooled down, and so I think I can pick it up now and move it over to this anvil as such, which is a piece of pipe, and then I have some small copper tacks here and a hammer, and I want to be able to clinch that shape as it is, take those clamps off and put the box on this anvil, and then hammer in those copper tacks that get bent over in the back side to really attach the side to the, well, just to attach the side. That's all it's attaching. I haven't attached the side to the base. That's later, with some toothpicks, believe it or not, that work real well when you cut them off and glue it in several places to attach that base.